The northern flicker or common flicker, Colaptes auratus, is a medium-sized bird of the woodpecker family. It is native to most of North America, parts of Central America, Cuba, and the Cayman Islands, and is one of the few woodpecker species that migrate. Over 100 common names for the northern flicker are known, including yellowhammer, not to be confused with the Eurasian yellowhammer, Emberiza citrinella, clape, gaffer woodpecker, harry-wicket, heigh-ho, wake-up, walk-up, wick-up, yarrup, and gawker bird. Many of these names derive from attempts to imitate some of its calls. It is the state bird of Alabama, known by its colloquial name, yellowhammer. Adults are brown with black bars on the back and wings. A mid to large-sized northern flicker measures 28 to 36 centimeters, 11 to 14 in length and 42 to 54 centimeters, 16 plus 1/2 minus 21 plus 1/2 in wingspan, 15, 16. The body mass can vary from 86 to 167 grams, 3 to 5 plus 7/8 of an ounce, 17 among standard scientific measurements. The wing bone measures 12.2 to 17.1 centimeters, 4 plus 13/16 minus 6 plus 3/4 in. The tail measures 7.5 to 11.5 centimeters, 3 to 4 plus 1/2 in. The bill measures 2.2 to 4.3 centimeters, 7/8 minus 1 plus 11/16 in, and the tarsus measures 2.2 to 3.1 centimeters, 7/8 minus 1 plus 1/4 in. The largest bodied specimens are from the northern stretches of the species range at the latitude of Alaska and Labrador, while the smallest specimens come from Grand Cayman Island. 18. A necklace-like black patch occupies the upper breast, while the lower breast and belly are beige with black spots. Males can be identified by a black, in the eastern part of the species range, or red, in the western part, moustachial stripe at the base of the beak, while females lack this stripe. The tail is dark on top, transitioning to a white rump which is conspicuous in flight. Subspecific plumage is variable. This bird's call is a sustained laugh, kee-kee-kee-kee, quite different from that of the pileated woodpecker, Dryocopus pileatus. One may also hear a constant knocking as they often drum on trees or even metal objects to declare territory. Like most woodpeckers, northern flickers drum on objects as a form of communication and territory defense. In such cases, the object is to make as loud a noise as possible. So woodpeckers sometimes drum on metal objects.
The northern flicker or common flicker, Colaptes auratus, is a medium-sized bird of the woodpecker family. It is native to most of North America, parts of Central America, Cuba, and the Cayman Islands, and is one of the few woodpecker species that migrate. Over 100